Ella, and welcome to the Ella Way. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to post last week. It was Mother's Day, so I was busy hanging out with my mom. Today we're going to be making these adorable little potions that look gorgeous on any shelf, like the ones you can see behind me. For this craft you will need mini bottles, food coloring, water, beads, fake flowers, glitter, and you may also want a funnel or a stick to help get stuff in the bottle, and a glue gun to seal the potions to prevent them from leaking. For the bottles, you can get them out of your recycling bin, but make sure to wash them out first. This one was a tiny jam jar, and this one came from a meal kit. You can also get them from the craft store where they sell a variety of shapes, sizes, and even colors. I got these ones from Michael's, but they also sell other really nice ones at other craft stores, such as AC Moore. To begin, soak your bottles in hot soapy water for at least 20 minutes to remove the labels. Then, fill your bottles about 3/4 of the way with water. You can use a funnel to help you fill ones with smaller openings, and add a few drops of food coloring of your choice. I'm going to make this one aqua, this one reddish pink, this one magenta, and this one light green. After you've added the color, screw on the lids and shake the bottles to mix in the color. If you're worried about them leaking, you can mix them with a long skewer or wrap them in a towel while shaking them. Once you've mixed in the color, open it up again and add glitter, beads, fake flowers, charms, or anything else you'd like to add to the potions. I'm putting glitter and beads into this one, fake flowers and beads into this one, fake leaves and glitter into that one, and then fake flowers, glitter, and beads into this one. If you're having trouble getting things in the bottle, you can use a stick to help push things such as fake flowers inside the bottle, and a funnel to help get things such as glitter inside the bottle. Once you're finished, seal the bottles with hot glue to prevent them leaking. For ones with screw tops, just put a line of glue around the outside edge once you've closed it. Now you're finished. I hope you enjoyed making your mini potions. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for new videos almost every week on the Ella Way. Bye for now!